Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am unfortunately back at work, back to the camper. But fortunately for you, in the evenings I have more time to talk about knives. And I thought I would share a cool piece of my Schrade collection that I kind of completed recently. Now, these are not Schrade marked, obviously, but I know I'm not the only one to ever do this. But here's my Prince Albert pipe and cigarette tobacco can. Which was owned by R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company of Winston-Salem, North Carolina, with the Ulster Old Timer advertisements. These were only $2 each if you had 5 wrappers from a Prince Albert pocket tin. These run, well, I think mainly in the mid to late 60s. As you see on the tin, at the bottom is the 114 OT camp knife. The middle is the 58 OT Stockman, and the top is the 10 OT Barlow. Now there are a couple more Ulster patterns that are pretty rare and sought after, and I just recently lost out on a bid on one. The likelihood of me ever completing the Ulster line of old timers could be slim to none, because, like I said, they are very rare. We'll start from the newest to oldest. This camp knife does not have the model number, the 114, stamped into it. I have not seen an example that did, but in catalogs that is what it is listed under, is the 114 OT. And this knife come out in the later 60s. I think around 68. And was discontinued before the Ulster line was dropped in, what was it, 72? I'm just talking off of memory here, so forgive me if I'm a year or two off on some of these dates. The Ulster Old Timer Barlow, bolster stamped Old Timer Barlow, is stamped with the model number. Ulster USA 10 OT. The Barlow come out, I think it was mid-60s. This right here, the 58 OT. This was the original Ulster Barlow. Or, my bad, I'm getting tongue-tied here. The original Ulster Old Timer. This come out in 1960. This was the first Ulster Old Timer pattern, which Schrade Walden introduced in 58 and 59, the first two models of Old Timer. So this model is an early example of an Old Timer that predates many of the standard Schrade Walden patterns that we know and love. So RJ Reynolds did a SFO, or a special factory order, on these, and I'm assuming they used the Ulster line of Old Timer knives, probably from the Imperial factory, to save money, of course. And they ordered only these three patterns as a promotional item for the Prince Albert line of tobacco, which was pretty common with country folk and working people, along with some other names. And I just really stoked to have this little collection to match the tin. Now there is also a 12 OT, that is the sheep's foot Barlow. It's pretty rare, pretty hard to come by. And the 50 OT Serpentine Jack, that was said to be never really sold to the public. I seen a 12 OT sheep's foot Ulster Barlow sell a couple months ago for around $350, and that was just more than I was willing to give for a Old Timer. Like I said, if I don't find a good deal on them, then I don't shell out the cash. But I just thought I would share. Sorry guys, my camera glitched on me, but I just thought I would share my Ulster Old Timer collection that matches the Prince Albert tin. Hope y'all got a kick out of this. For all you Schrade fans, Old Timer fans, this is Hillbilly Proud. Thank y'all for checking this out. Oh yeah, I finally got a P.O. box set up. I put it in the channel description. If any of y'all want to send stickers or something, man, I'll slap it on the toolbox or the gun safe, and I'll dang sure give you a shout out. And I appreciate anything y'all do to help the channel. If y'all want to swap stickers or do some trades or something, y'all just let me know. But unfortunately, I work all the time. I don't have no stickers or anything yet. Maybe one day I'll get there. But anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap these back up and put them up. Y'all have a good evening. Oh, one more thing. As far as the cover photo goes, y'all know what the difference is in these zippos and why the wind blocks the tops of the lighters are different? This one is for smoking from a pipe, so that the flame comes more out the side. I thought that was neat. I bought this one with the mustache 2015. I bought it the year my oldest boy was born, and I just got this one the other day. Had to straighten it up. It was bent. You couldn't get the cartridge out. This is a 89 model pipe lighter. I thought it would be fitting to go with the pipe tobacco tin. But anyway, the more you know. There are different styles of zippos. Once again, thank y'all for being here. Sorry I'm rambling. It's still Billy Proud. Y'all have a good one.